Welcome to the first part of 3 series tutorial for making my Instagram app for web, Android and iOS. This first part consists of creating a simple web application which takes user input for searching images based on a particular tag. We will be using Instagram API to communicate with the Instagram backend and get JSON data. APIs are nothing but a way for developers to access data from any organization only if they make it available for you. You might ask, why would they make their data available to others? One word: advertising. They want other developers to use their API and make some really good applications so more people can be utilizing their service. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is nothing but raw data without any styles or any information inside it. We will see how that looks like when we use it. We will take this JSON data that we just downloaded and then display it in a really simple interface that I have built. Let's see how the final output looks like. So here is our final finished product. I know it's nothing too fancy, but that's the goal. We have a simple header label here, a search image and a text field for a user to enter a tag and search button. Users can enter some text, let's say search for JavaScript and click submit button. It will search for images on Instagram and pull me 20 images. If you notice, as and when I scroll down, it pulls down more 20 images and appends to the web page. Let's search for something else. Let's try HTML. We see new images and finally CSS. There you go. That's what we want to build in this particular series. Before we begin working on the actual applications, first let's go and get the Instagram API client ID. So first what you have to do is go to instagram.com/developer website, just like here. Click on the top right login button. If you don't have an account, create an account. If it remembers you, it will show you a page similar to this. Let me click on the login button. Once logged in, click on the Manage Clients button on the top. In this page, as you can see, I have already created a client. You can click on the Register a New Client button. Let's fill out this form and click on the Register button. You will have your own client ID. Here you see the client ID on the top. We will be using this client ID throughout our course, so keep this handy. Welcome again and let the coding begin.